This is the Young's modulus calculator, which determines the elastic modulus of materials under stress. The calculator offers two input methods, stress and strain, or force and geometry. For this demonstration, I'm using stress and strain. When using stress and strain mode, you'll enter two values. First, stress in pascals or PSI. Enter your stress value. Second, strain as a dimensionless value. Enter your strain value. If you switch to force and geometry mode, you'll need four inputs: applied force, F, in newtons or pound force, cross-sectional area, A, in square meters or square inches, change in length, dl, in meters or inches, and original length, L, in meters or inches. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for stress and 10 for strain. After clicking Calculate Young's Modulus, the calculator processes these values to determine the material's elastic modulus. This result represents the material's stiffness, how much it resists deformation under applied stress. Engineers use this fundamental property for material selection and structural design calculations. Find the link in the description below.